Akamai is a global content delivery network and cybersecurity platform designed to enhance website performance, security, and scalability. Here's how to use Akamai effectively. Set up an Akamai account. Sign up for an Akamai account through their website. Once registered, you'll gain access to Akamai's tools via the Control Center dashboard. Integrate Akamai with your website. Add your website to Akamai's platform by configuring your DNS settings. This typically involves updating your domain CNAME or A records to point to Akamai's network. Follow Akamai's setup wizard for guidance specific to your website or application. Enable performance features. Use Akamai's CDN to cache your website's content across its globally distributed servers. This reduces latency and accelerates load times for users worldwide. Optimize image delivery, minify code, and enable adaptive acceleration for improved performance. Enhance security. Activate Web Application Firewall to protect against cyber attacks such as SQL injection or DDoS. Use bot management tools to safeguard against harmful automated traffic. Monitor and analyze. Access real-time analytics and logs to monitor traffic, detect potential threats, and measure performance improvements.